At Sky360, we elevate the standards of architectural and engineering inspections through cutting-edge drone technology. We understand that detailed knowledge of your property isn't just useful, it's crucial. That's why we specialize in capturing high-resolution aerial imagery and transforming it into precise 3D models. Our process starts with automated flight plans, meticulously programmed to ensure ultimate precision and safety. This approach allows us to thoroughly cover every aspect of your building or facility, focusing especially on hard-to-reach areas like rooftops and high-elevation facades. By leveraging state-of-the-art drones equipped with advanced imaging technologies, we provide you with a comprehensive view that traditional methods simply can't match. What sets our 3D modeling apart? It's the accuracy and detail it offers to building owners and engineers. These models are invaluable for conducting detailed facade inspections and assessing assets in locations that are otherwise dangerous or inaccessible. The clarity of the data collected enables you to conduct thorough inspections and maintenance planning with reduced risk and increased efficiency. Moreover, the high-resolution imagery and 3D models we generate can be instantly shared with stakeholders, enhancing collaboration and facilitating faster decision-making. This is not just about inspecting structures. It's about revolutionizing how you manage and maintain them, providing a digital blueprint that is a game-changer for the industry. At Sky360, we are more than just drone operators. We are your partners in ensuring that your assets are precisely documented and expertly analyzed. Join us in transforming the future of building and facility management. Discover how our aerial and ground-based imaging solutions can bring unparalleled value to your projects.